I was a seed, they tried to bury me, I rose from the tree. Yo, who would show me that my friends was really folks? Man, we did picked up that Torah, then I started taking notes. Hello, yeah, I once was weary, but I came back home. Yo, who would green? I was a seed, they tried to bury me, I rose from the tree. Yo, who would show me that my friends was really folks? Man, we just did picked up that Torah, then I started taking notes. Hello, yeah, I once was weary, but I came back home. Yo, who would green? The enemy lurking, the devil is working, them curses hurting, gotta reverse them, gotta emerge them, kill them and purge them. Yahuwah the surgery urgent, he's sick and allergic to the perversion, he need a conversion, he need a heart transplant, spiritual cardiac. They tried to bury me, I sprouted up like a plant. I'm about the community, similar to an ant, connected to the body like a knee. Man, we need that, Torah I bleed that, the ruach I breathe that. Out of a fool's mouth come folly.
Y'all, my author copies came in because I released my second published book. It looks so good. The font is the perfect size. Now mind you, this could be a very quick read because you don't want to put it down, or you can separate it, you know, read a chapter, research some more, read another chapter, research some more. Are you joking? That's me. What about it? Oh, come on, I'm gonna get you a closer look real quick. Hold on. Like, for real? For real? Like, there's, what? Like, wait. I'm gonna flip to a random page, but do you see this font? And do you see the title? Like, who doesn't want to read a title like that? What? Page 39? Like, are you? Come on. So freaking good. And then whoever reads it, this is to y'all. Dedicated to y'all. And the matte cover, oh my goodness gracious. Yep, that's me. You see the face. We chilling, we vibing, we having peace. Cause I jig in my corner in peace. Oh my god. Oh. But not only do you got the second publication, you got a blank journal that you can order. Like, what? And then my first ever publication, it's been read. Okay, you see that beauty mark? It's been read, honey. Yes. Another random page. Oh, look at that. Wow. Sent. It is God sent. Literally. Wow. So, not only technically, I'm going to just say twice, but not once. Not twice, but 3 times. All of that from me through God. That's it. That's all. So clearly I'm in a celebratory type of mood, right? So I booked a hotel. We're just gonna have a good time. That's what we're set out to do. Okay. Heck, I may find some strangers and then just give these other copies out. Giveaway. I don't know yet. All I know is get your copy on Amazon. The link will be in this video and probably a few more after this. I'm not sure because the what? Huh? Like, I can't. When I tell y'all this capability that I have with being a writer and putting it into tuition. See, I'm so excited, I'm so jumbled. Bringing it into fruition. Like my mind, I can't wrap around it because I already told myself that I was going to keep writing, I was going to keep publishing until my hands don't work no more, till my brain ain't got no ideas no more, till I forget something or other and I can't even physically be here to write. Other than that, I'm a write. And I don't care what nobody say. Who you know? Mind you, you know there's a lot of sectors that don't have your people. See, again, shaking the table. I'm so excited. It's here. The energy, right? There's not a lot of people, and I mean people of color, in any type of sector, right? I'm in the author space, okay? So I'm gonna need y'all support with this, okay? Here's the bag. You see the photo. She wearing her glasses. Do I have a prescription? No. Is she cute? Tells you about the book and so on, and about me a little bit to make me have the knowledge base to even write this book. It's so good. I can't. What are there any other words that I can even say, like, besides it's so good? I don't think so. So yeah, let me get on ahead and get ready for tonight's shenanigans, because again, we are celebrating life. We are celebrating this stack of books that I got. Black excellence, you know, that's what we're doing. So let me go ahead, pick my outfit out, do all the things, shower up, and then we'll be on our way. Come on.